Alright, what's up guys? This morning we are working on some sublimated koozies for Midwest poured walls. Pretty simple process. We just take a plain blank white koozie, have some dye sublimation printouts, and we just transfer that ink over to the koozies. It's pretty cool how it's done, so let's check it out.
Fight through fire and pain and always get up again. There's nothing we can't do, and we're about to prove. Oh, we get stronger as we go. This is how we get it done. This is how we do it, do it. This is how a kingdom comes. This is how we do it.
I've been doing lots of things, Brandon. We're between printing, designing proofs for vehicle wraps, laminating, cutting decals, wherever I'm needed.
Set up a couple signs for Tread Central, which I'm sure you guys will probably see later next week. You guys are going to be installing those on the building. What else have I done? I can't even remember. It's been a busy week. They all kind of mashed together. Set up some logo wares.
I am working on importing a file. Basically someone sent me a picture of a window decal that they're wanting to put on their window, and they sent me over a specific Pantone color, so I just got it imported into Sign Lab. So I'm working on looking through my emails and finding the right one. So going through all the emails can take a while because there's lots of them sometimes.
We're doing some hats for Alpha Builders.
Here at Kaiser Blasting, Coating and Painting. Today we're doing another storage container for house and construction. We do quite a bit of these, so this time we have somebody else helping us. Got a high school student here doing some job shadowing, so it should be fun, interesting day to see how we do things.
I'm Aaron. I'm Nate's nephew.
What are you doing?
I'm job shadowing him for my class. Yep.
Cool.
This is how we do it, do it. This is how a kingdom comes. This is how we do it, do it.
Alright Nate, how was that?
Not too bad. We've done probably 15 of these, so makes them a little easier.
What'd you think?
It was cool.
I thought I'd take a moment here to discuss some of the wall decals I've been doing lately. I'm getting a few more requests for that. Been traveling a little bit to do that. The wall decals in general are a little trickier than normal decals. The surface, when we put it on vehicles, we know it's aluminum, we know it's steel, we know it's been painted right by GMC or Chevy, Ford, whatever. Walls are a little trickier. You've got a matte finish, a satin finish, a gloss finish, a texture. You got lots of different variations. And the wall decals don't stick very well to like a matte surface. Satin's okay, a gloss is okay. A lot of people try to put them on matte. It just doesn't work. So I've got a couple things. One, you'll see in the videos I use this blue tape, and then a lot of times I use the brown tape. The difference being that the brown tape, much more aggressive. If you put it on a wall, there's a good chance you could rip a little bit of the drywall. The blue tape, on the other hand, it sticks a little easier, it comes off a little cleaner, it doesn't pull the drywall, so it makes a little bit of a difference when you're doing the wall decals. I'd suggest using blue tape. Now, we would use blue tape probably all the time, but it's triple or quadruple the price of the brown tape. So we go through a lot of tape, many rolls. So to use the blue tape all the time just isn't cost effective for us. Brown works good. If you do decide to put some wall decals up and you get them from Target, Walmart, wherever, it's not always the same stuff as a vinyl company like us uses. They get their stuff from China or wherever, and it just doesn't stick. Now, most of the vinyl is a matte finish. Tape doesn't like to stick to a matte finish, so it's harder to get the letters up. It's also harder to get them to stick. We find that if you use the blue tape and the blue tape sticks good to the wall, more than likely your decals will, or your lettering will stick well also. So check out a few of the videos we've got here about wall decals, a couple of the installs we've done. See you next time.